In a world where the odds are stacked, we stand with an unbreakable shield. Through glaciers and fossils of the past, our resolve is something never concealed. We're symbols of strength like a cactus in the sand, preserving life in a massive sacred land. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. With the bolt of hope, we stand tall. In an atmosphere where threats pose near, we take precautions, our path is clear. From agriculture's fertile embrace to tropical dreams we jointly chase. The impact is significant, the protest loud, yet we persuade with actions proud. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. With the bolt of hope, we stand tall. Survey the land, patrol the skies, a monument to those who rise in moist fields, a stale desert air. We install our dreams with utmost care. Our enthusiasm, a flame that never dies. In the face of severe and hazardous skies. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. With the bolt of hope, we stand tall. Transport us to where dreams resume, where the fertile and the edible bloom. In this joint endeavor we decrease despair, merely symbols of what we dare. An unbreakable shield, forever we wield. In a world of challenges, we never yield. In a world where the odds are stacked, we stand with an unbreakable shield. Through glaciers and fossils of the past, our resolve is something never concealed. We're symbols of strength like a cactus in the sand, preserving life in a massive sacred land. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. With the bolt of hope we stand tall. In an atmosphere where threats pose near, we take precautions, our path is clear. From agriculture's fertile embrace to tropical dreams we jointly chase. The impact is significant, the protest loud, yet we persuade with actions proud. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. Unbreakable shield against the storm, through the severe and the warm. We flourish where others tumble and fall. With the bolt of hope we stand tall. Survey the land, patrol the skies, a monument to those who rise just tumble and fall.